Hello students, our today's topic is the last topic of this chapter, first chapter real numbers. Okay, our today's topic is decimal expansion of rational numbers. Okay, how can we explain this? We have two type of decimal expansion of rational numbers. Okay, as you can see, first type is terminating and second type is non-terminating repeating. Now I am going to explain these two things. Okay, the first thing is terminating. Terminating means if we have a rational number like 2 upon 5, this number is the form of p upon q, right? P upon q, right? If we divide numerator by denominator, यानी कि we divide 2 by 5, 0.0, 5 4 ja 20. This is completely divisible and we got 0.4. If we can completely divide p by q, then this is a terminating expansion. ठीक है, this is the terminating decimal expansion of a rational number. ठीक है, and the other form is non-terminating repeating. ठीक है, in this form if we have a p upon q form rational number just like 1 upon 7. ठीक है, if we will divide 1 by 7, we will get 0.142857 as you can see here. This is the decimal expansion of 1 upon 7. ठीक है, you can see this. Firstly decimal, we take a 0, 1 time 30, 4 time 28, 2 remainder, 2 time 14, 8 times 56, then 5 times 35, 7 times 49 and again 1 times 7. यानी कि now it is going repeated from here. ठीक है, ये जो हमारा 142857 ये इतना पार्ट है ना, ये अब आगे रिपीट हो रहा है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग. ठीक है, ये वी हैव दीज टू टाइप ऑफ डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स. ठीक है, दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक बट इन बोर्ड एग्जाम्स वी कैन नॉट डू बाय दिस ना, इट विल टेक टू मच टाइम. ठीक है, वी हैव टू सेव आवर टाइम, so we have to go on a shortcut. Okay, the thing we can see if x is equals to p upon q. ठीक है, it is the rational number such that the prime factorization of q is of the form 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. ठीक है, यानी कि यहाँ पर जो हमारा डिजिट है डिनोमिनेटर में, इस डिजिट को अगर हम फैक्टराइज करते हैं और वो हमें 2 और 5 के प्रोडक्ट की फॉर्म में मिलता है, देन दिस इज अ डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ अ टर्मिनेटिंग. ठीक है, दिस इज अ टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ अ रेशनल नंबर एंड द कंडीशन इज दैट m and n should not be negative. Okay, is it clear? ठीक है, and the second thing about non-terminating repeating, in this if x is equals to p upon q, ठीक है, here denominator q will not be of the form of 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m. This type of expansion will be non-terminating repeating. ठीक है, as you can see these examples also. Here the example is 2 upon 5, denominator is 5, this is of the form of 5 to the power m. ठीक है, so this is a terminating expansion. And here the example is 1 upon 7, denominator is 7, it is not of the form of 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m. So this is non-terminating repeating expansion. ठीक है, let's take some other examples just like 3 upon 8. Let's see, this is terminating or non-terminating repeating. as I have told you this short trick, you don't have to divide in your exams, board exams. If they will say you have to show by this, then you will do this. Otherwise you will do by this way only. Okay, here denominator is 8. Let's factorize denominator. 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, यानी कि this is 3 upon 2 to the power 3, यानी कि RQ is of the form of 2 to the power n. So this is terminating. Okay, let's take another example, that is example number 1. Now example 2. ठीक है, this is the example 13 upon 125. Let's factorize 125. 5 2 ja 10, 25, 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5. ठीक है, then this is 13 upon 5 to the power 3, यानी कि Q is of the form of 5 to the power m. So this expansion, यानी कि this expansion can be completely divisible, and this is a terminating expansion of a rational number. ठीक है, let's take one another example, that is 7 upon 80. ठीक है, let's factorize 80. 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, यानी कि 7 upon 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 1. ठीक है, this is here Q is of the form 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. So this is also a terminating expansion of a rational number, right? So this was our topic of today, decimal expansion of a rational number. Here are two types, terminating and non-terminating repeating. Terminating where Q is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m, and in non-terminating Q is not of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m. Okay, you have to do by this way in your board exams. If they will say to you कि if this is a terminating, then show, then you will do this. Otherwise you will check by this and you will write down this is terminating or this is non-terminating. Okay, thank you class.